To set up AWS Amplify MFA, start by creating an AWS account and installing the AWS Amplify CLI. Once installed, configure Amplify by running the command amplify init and following the prompts to set up your project. Next, install the Amplify authentication package by running the command npm install auth amplify or yarn. Add auth amplify. Then, configure Amplify authentication by running the command amplify auth add and selecting the authentication service you want to use. To enable MFA, navigate to the AWS Management Console and select the Cognito user pool associated with your Amplify project. Go to the MFA settings page and click on the Edit button. Select the MFA option you want to use, such as SMS or Authenticator app, and configure the settings as needed. After configuring MFA, update your Amplify project to use MFA by running the command amplify push and selecting the authentication service you configured earlier. Finally, test your MFA setup by running the command amplify auth signout and then attempting to sign in with MFA. Best practices for AWS Amplify MFA setup include using a secure password policy, requiring MFA for all users, and monitoring user activity for suspicious behavior. Additionally, make sure to test your MFA setup thoroughly to ensure it is working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up AWS Amplify MFA to add an extra layer of security to your application. This will help protect your users and data from unauthorized access and ensure a secure user experience.